Welcome. Today we're talking about Taxjar, a modern cloud-based tax compliance solution designed to simplify sales tax management for businesses. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, Taxjar provides a comprehensive solution to automate your sales tax calculations, filings, and reports. It integrates seamlessly with popular e-commerce platforms and marketplaces, so you can focus more on growing your business and less on sales tax compliance. Taxjar shines with features like real-time sales tax calculation, multi-channel support, and automatic filings. It provides accurate tax rates for over 14,000 jurisdictions in the US alone, ensuring your transactions are always compliant. Taxjar's auto-file feature submits your tax returns directly to the state, saving you time and effort. Plus, with its API, you can integrate Taxjar into your custom applications for a seamless tax management experience. Taxjar offers a flexible pricing model to suit businesses of all sizes. The basic plan starts at $19 per month, providing access to core features like tax calculations and reports. The Plus plan, starting at $99 per month, adds premium features like autofile and dedicated support. For larger businesses with custom needs, Taxjar offers an enterprise plan with custom pricing. All plans offer a 30-day free trial for you to test the waters. Taxjar is perfect for e-commerce businesses that sell products across multiple states or countries and want to automate their sales tax compliance. It is also ideal for businesses using multiple sales channels, as Taxjar integrates with many popular platforms like Amazon, Shopify, and eBay. Developers looking to incorporate sales tax management into their custom applications will find value in Taxjar's robust API. Taxjar's strengths lie in its simplicity, accuracy, and automation. It removes the complexity of sales tax compliance, making it accessible even for non-finance experts. Its real-time tax calculations ensure accuracy, reducing the risk of non-compliance penalties. Autofile takes the hassle out of tax filings, and its multi-channel support allows for streamlined tax management across all your sales platforms. Despite its many strengths, Taxjar has a few limitations. It only supports US and Canadian tax jurisdictions, which may not suffice for businesses selling globally. Some users have reported occasional issues with its API and the need for more comprehensive customer support, and while it offers a lot of integrations, it may not cover all possible e-commerce platforms. In summary, Taxjar is a powerful, user-friendly solution for automating sales tax compliance. It offers a range of features to simplify and streamline tax management, making it a valuable tool for e-commerce businesses. However, its limitations in global tax support and customer service should be considered. Its flexible pricing and free trial make it worth considering for businesses seeking to automate their sales tax process. Thank you for watching our analysis of Taxjar. We hope you found it informative and helpful in understanding how this tool can simplify your sales tax compliance. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analysis of business tools and solutions. Until next time, stay informed and make smart choices for your business.